नमस्ते। आज चाहिँ हामी नेपाली संस्कारमा हस्पिटल जानुभन्दा अगाडि गर्भवती महिलाले के कुराहरू सामग्रीहरू तयार पार्नुपर्छ भन्ने हामीहरूले जानकारी दिन
Hello,
गइरहेका
namaste
छौं।
everyone. In today's episode, we will be discussing about what are the things that are required for a Nepali woman, especially a mothers to be, to prepare in a hospital bag before delivering a baby. First of all, we will be talking about how we prepare baby's bedding before birth. So, we start with the pillow. We specially use mustard pillow, and it has been used since ancient times to give babies benefit, especially if you want to shape and turn the baby's head round. We start using this from the day of birth till 18 months, especially when the skulls are soft and can be molded. It helps baby's head shape stay uniform and also warms head naturally. Why mustard? It has certain vitamins, minerals, properties that warms up baby's head naturally. It also prevents from common cold or cough. So hence, this is why we use a mustard pillow for babies. For baby's bedding and blanket, especially when it comes to your baby, there is no safe level of exposure. That's why a cotton is regarded as a child-friendly material and an excellent choice for bedding products in Nepali culture. What are the benefits? It is naturally breathable. It allows air circulation. It balances temperature and humidity. And as we can see, it has been wrapped by a malmal cloth, which is also known as a muslin fabric. So why a muslin fabric? It's specially very breathable. It is very lightweight fabric. It has a proper airflow. It reduces risk of overheating, and it is very comfortable and safe during pregnancies or especially for the babies. Now, while we talk about a maternity dress, especially in Nepali culture, most of the pregnant women, they prefer a maternity dress which is mostly a makhmal fabric, which is a velvet fabric gown, and which is mostly accompanied by a kashto that is wrapped around by mothers, especially during winters or even in summers to avoid cold. So why a makhmal fabric? Because it is a loose maxi that is appropriate choice for all Nepali households for maternity wear. And it is very soft and breathable, and it is very durable, and that is made to last. It has a very good chemical properties. It is very thin and has smooth elastics, and it is very comfortable to wear, especially for the breastfeeding mothers. It is one of the best choices if you are breastfeeding your younger ones. And some of the other choices are also a cotton fabric gowns, especially for breastfeeding mothers. And they are well designed for breastfeeding. Since mothers are very sensitive to cold, so most of the Nepali women, they also prefer hand knitted topi, which is a cap, especially during their motherhood. And these are all made by women producers of CWP. In Nepali culture, we don't prefer using a new fabric to the babies. Henceforth, we use old clothes to wrap the new babies. So new clothes, especially for the wrappers, we again use a muslin fabric, especially because it is very sensitive to skin, and it is very child friendly, and it is free of chemicals, and it is very super soft, and it is very economical for Nepali women to afford. Hence, we use an old muslin fabric. It was added costume by one of the king of the 19th century. Daura has 8 string attached. And as per Nepali mythology, 8 is a very lucky number. Hence, the 8 string has been attached to Daura. And it has a very closed neck, which is a symbol of a snake around Lord Shiva, which is one of the greatest god, followed by Hindu tradition. or Nepali people. It is accompanied by gloves and socks and caps, also made out of muslin clothes for the comfort of one of the added fabric is a patuka. This is how a newborn baby's outfit looks like, accompanied by socks, surwal, which is pants, patuka, which is a special fabric wrapped around the stomach, boto and daura, which is a garment, accompanied by gloves on the sides of the hands, and a topi, a cap, which is all made out of muslin fabric. Newborn reflexes is very common to prevent mother's maternity. It is a special kind of fabric that is worn on the shoulder by the mothers to prevent a newborn baby reflexes. We're very grateful Thank you for watching us. Hope you liked our video.